Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a DILOPHOSAURUS from Jurassic World Dominion. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our DILOPHOSAURUS, let's begin with the face. I'll begin right here with the eye, and we're just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and it's going to come back here like a check mark. Next, we're going to curve around just to make the eye. Right underneath the eye, let's go ahead and add a couple little lines for some details. For the eyebrow, all you want to do is go up and then bring it down to make that kind of bump. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out, then we're going to come down. Next, we're going to bring this back. We'll kind of go up and then down here. And then right up here, we'll make a little dot for the nose. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down for the jaw, and then we'll just go down at an angle to make the mouth look nice and open. Bring this down. We'll go up, down, and then up again to form that jaw shape. Add a little curve right there for the back of the mouth. For the teeth, we're just going to make some little pointed lines at the top and at the bottom. Now the Dilophosaurus has this big shape on top of its head, and that shape is going to come right up here. It's going to go over and then come back down towards the eye. So we just want to draw a line that's going to curve up. We're going to bring it back and then down here. Right here, I'll draw another one that's going to come right to there, just to show that there's a second one back there. Starting here, we'll go out and then down for the back of the head. Now the Dilophosaurus has those great big frills on it, so let's go ahead and draw those next. Just begin by going up here, and we're going to curve this around, but as we curve it, we're going to put some little points on it as we come around. So I'm just going to make these little pointed lines all around here. And you can see I'm slowly kind of starting to curve this back to here. And we'll bring it up. Next, we're going to bring a line that comes up. And then we'll make some little points that come down. Bring a line down, and we'll make a few little points here. We'll also draw this right in between the mouth there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down just a little bit. Next, I'm going to bring this line back up to here, and we're going to curve it up. Now, instead of starting at the top, let's start down here a little bit, and we're going to bring this out here to a point, and then we'll bring this back so it looks like the tail has a curve in it. And we'll bring the tail to about here. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and I want to make the arms. We'll go down here. Then you want to come out at an angle. Curve this down to a point and bring it back. Then we'll do another one here, and one more right here, and we'll bring it up. Next, let's bring this back and then come up here. We'll add a couple little lines right by the arm too. Bring this down. And then right on this other side of the arm, we'll bring this up and then down a little bit, just show a little bit of detail. Now for the leg, we're going to start here, we're going to go down at an angle, and then we're going to bring it back at an angle. I like to draw two little lines here for like a wrinkle. We'll draw a line that comes down to a point and back, and one right here that goes down to a point and back. Next, let's bring this up here, and then we're going to bring it right back here with a curve. Now I want to put the other leg here, so we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down at an angle, and then it's going to come back. We'll have those two little lines. Then we'll make it come out to a point and back, and then one more here. I'm going to bring this line up and then back. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We'll add a little curve here to a point and one here. And one more here for the claws. Now, once we have our basic shape drawn, then we want to come in here and add all the different details on here. So let's start with the face. I'm going to begin by just drawing a little curved line here. And then we're going to draw kind of like a broken oval shape right here to show a little indentation. We'll draw some little broken lines right here by the face. And a couple more right around here. We'll make a couple little broken lines coming around here, and then a few little lines that come up. I'm going to connect this line here. And right here, I want to draw a few long lines that are going to come out just like this. And I like to leave some little spaces in here too, just to make them look kind of broken. Gives it a little bit more detail. Then I'm going to draw a couple more quick little lines all over here. I'm going to add a few curved lines on here for claws. And a few more little lines here. We'll add a couple little lines right around here. And I'll put a couple quick little sideways lines on here just to kind of show where the knee is going to be. You can also add a couple little broken lines right around some different spots here, like onto the tail, on the legs, even on the arms here. Nothing too crazy, but these just kind of help show a few little details. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Dilophosaurus from Jurassic World Dominion. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.